Greetings, dear viewers, and welcome to the Average Joe Hobby Show. I'm your humble host, the Average Joe. Let's learn and have fun together. With that said, let's begin. I'm going to start with the rotating display stand. Let's open her up and take a look. Manual carefully. Introduction. Electric automatic rotating display stand are widely used in shooting, live broadcast, It's about this wide. It's not too heavy. A beautiful mirror finish. And it only has a few little points of interest. Charging port, LED light, left and right button, speed button, and the angle button. Let's give it a test drive. I'll use my current model, the Chaos Knight Ghoul. Okay, this seems to be the slowest speed, and the highest speed, whee, just like that. Let's see, let's hit the angle adjustment. Look, Ma, no hands! This is really cool, I really like it. I am really going to elevate some of my photography and film work with this tool. It's awesome. Now for the fog machine. Oh, it comes in a big case. Ooh, I like this. Nice material. Let's open her up. Oh, wow, this is I really like this case. This is a good case. Let's pull out some of the gear. Let's start with this instruction manual. See, basic safety things. Turn off after use. Do not spray your eyes. Do not touch the oil tank while working. Smoke alarm may be triggered. Do not smoke it, obviously. Do not allow children to use it, naturally. Okay, the accessories. This is the device itself, just known as the subject. Right. There. Hard straight tube. Hard bent tube. Silicone tube. Let's see, this is the high pressure nozzle. This is the liquid smoke filter. Infrared remote control, only one button. And the charging cable, and of course, fluid. Yeah. And over here I have multiple other bottles. This is a 60 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Using the main buttons, charging port, infrared sensor, LED indicator, fuel tank, nozzle, fuel tank cap. What are these for? Oh, these? It doesn't say it in the instruction manual, but I'm guessing this is a cap for the nozzle itself. That's cool. And I'm going to take one of these caps and put the cap in right now. See? Little cap right in here. Perfect. Yeah. This is the insulation cover that goes over it. The oil tank will generate high temperature during operation. The heat insulation cover must be installed on the machine during use. Do not hold the heat shield when picking up the machine. Pretty standard. Okay. Like it shows right here in the picture, this is how to open it up and pour in more liquid, not straight through the main hole. Actually, let's see here. When in use, a few drops of smoke oil in the smoke output hole can increase the amount of smoke. That's a good bit of information there. So, insulation cover. First things first, I'm going to remove the cap. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pour just a little bit of the fluid right in here, and let's see what happens. It's not very watery. It seems to be quite thick. That's good. It's not going to spill anywhere accidentally. There we go. Yeah, to test. Just the simple straight tube first. All right. Double click. Here we go. Turn the fog machine on in 3, 2, 1. Turn it off in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Have a... where is it? Oh, it's too late. Well, my plans just went up in smoke, I guess. As I continue this unboxing, I will now test the other two pieces of equipment. The high-pressure nozzle and the liquid foam with the plastic L-curve, as well as the infrared remote control. So let's get to it. Turning on the high-pressure nozzle in 3, 2, 1. Turning it off in 3, 2, 1. Whew. Goodness gracious me, that is something. Yeah. Air duster. Never leave home without it. Fog. Next, I will use the L-curve with the liquid smoke device. Oh, that is some thick stuff. That is good. Look at that. Very impressive. I like this one. Now then, it's time to put together everything we've learned. Remote control in 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video of mine. I'm really excited about my new gear and all the possible things I can do with it for my work. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video or stream. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have not done so already. I really appreciate the support. Please let me know what kind of endeavor, craft, or hobby you're working on in the comments down below. I'll see you next time.